How do you delete all of your information from the iPad? Let me talk about it, and if you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Now, it all comes down to how deep you want to go with it, because you can, for example, check out the Settings app where you can proceed to the General section, and at the bottom of the page, we have the Transfer or Reset iPad, and you have the ability to erase all content and settings, and when you go through it, you can see that all of your apps and data, which might be like gigabytes worth of your data, will be gone. Your Apple account will be signed out. Your activation lock will be disabled, of course, if you go through with the passwords and all of the security measures. So this is the most, I would say, drastic step, which just means that you completely wipe your iPad. Right? So when you go through it like this, it just means that nothing will ever stay on the device and you can just sell it or give it away, do whatever. And this is how you can delete all of your information, like the entirety, and then the iPad basically behaves like a new model. So that's something which you can do, which you might be interested in. But if not, you can just sign out from your Apple ID. If you only want to do that for some reason, you can just click on your profile at the top and click on sign out at the bottom, right? Or you can also check out the General section and iPad storage and then delete some of the information right there. So many different things. If you come back to the profile section in here, you can also go to the payment information, and perhaps you only want to remove that if you are interested in just protecting that information. So it heavily depends, as I said, on what you're trying to achieve here. Let me know if you managed to do what you needed. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you soon in the next videos as well.